parte ng puso niya, Donnie, pinasalamatan si Belle. Muling pumirma ng kontrata sa ABS-CBN Studios at Star Magic si Donnie Pangilinan. I'm just super happy to be here in ABS-CBN, say ni Donnie. Malaki rin ang pasasalamat niya sa mga kapamilya bosses dahil sa muling pagsugal sa kanya, paniniwala sa kanyang talento at pakikinig sa kanyang mga idea. Say niya, you just saw a glimpse of what we've been doing for the past. Ilang years ba yon? 8 years na ba? Time flies so fast. But I know that there's so much more in store and I'm here with you guys and I'm very, very much ready to overcome what we need to overcome. And I'm very blessed also that I'm with bosses who I can consider family and who I can consider people really listen to you and who really collaborate with you and they will figure out on what they can do just to have the best come out even for the audience and everyone who's watching. So thank you so much for that. Kinilig naman ng mga fan at netizen ng pasalamatan din si Donnie ang kanyang ka-love team na si Belle Mariano. Thank you rin syempre sa pamilya ko and syempre kay Belle kasi malaking part rin siya sa journey ko, say ng aktor. At sa puso, Bero naman ni Rovi Domingo na host ng contract signing event. Tumawa lang si Donnie at pinagpatuloy ang kanyang thank you speech para kay Belle. I am just very happy na we get to do more things together pagtatapos ni Donnie. Sayang nga lang at wala si Belle sa contract renewal ni Donnie at hindi niya personal na rinig ang pagpapasalamat sa kanya ng kanyang ka-love team. Maliban kay Donnie ay nag-renew rin ng kontrata bilang kapamilya sina Samuel B., Melay Francisco, Jake Cuenca, Francine Diaz at Joshua Garcia.